Alrighty guys, we are back here and ready for the action. A little peek here of the living room, but seeing that this is the 3850 rear kitchen, I thought that it would be nice to go ahead and start in the back in that rear kitchen and just check out how nice this thing looks. I am a total dude with no fashion sense. I've been wearing whatever clothes that I've had, in my closet for years, and even I can say, wow, when you step into this thing. It is light, it is bright, it is the way that the RV industry is going to be going, especially after the competitors see something like this. I know there's only a couple others that are even coming close to anything this nice, and they're not built the way that the Riverstone reserves are. But, I even like just even goofy stuff like this. I mean, like that snapping in. I mean, I just think that's cool. That's just a cool thing. And, I don't know. I think it's neat, and I like the color. I like the fact that it's wood. I like the sink cover. I'll double it up as a cutting board. Imagine that, slapping a steak out there, or for your vegan tofu slab or something. Nothing against it. My sister's one had something called Seaton. That's what she called it, Seaton. I don't know what it is, but it was pretty good. It was some type of grain meat. And if you don't chew it for too long, it's actually delicious. Look at that microwave. It's a nice one. It's a Samsung. Everyone knows Samsung. Everyone knows they work. Cabinetry. Storage. Soft close at that. Look at that. No effort. No loud bangs. You don't have to worry about the barbarian that's going to come with you and staying on that couch. Just a good look. Countertops, do you want solid surface? Wada bing, bada boom, you got them. What'd you say? You want a tile backsplash? Bingo! You need a place to put your Captain Crunch, maybe a big thing of oatmeal, and something else. You got it all over the place. And check out this Samsung refrigerator to match that microwave. Beautiful! Of course, we will take out all that packaging when you buy a camper from me, Hunter. Sorry for being weird, guys. I'm just having fun today. I've had a rough couple days here, but, this little stuff that cheers you up. You just got to keep your head right and keep things going. I ate very well today. Started prepping up my food, and it's going to improve everything in my life. Big time storage up there. You can put whatever you want. I mean, I don't even know if you could even reach the back of that. Right here and right here. I mean, how much more could you possibly want in a camper that looks this nice? Arm goes all the way back. And like I've said in a couple videos, I am a 6-foot dude with average arms. I do got some good muscles though, which I'll probably flex in a mirror later to show you. But again, take a look at that. It is absolutely beautiful. And let's swing around here. The nice thing about these big open windows is not only do you get a lot of that natural light, but it does have the day shades, which you can see the beginning of it, and the night shades that come down. So if you are one of vampire descent, you can block it out and keep that pale going. This table right here, if you grab it, take your hand nice and firm, give it a yank. There is a leaflet that you can put down, so that way you can sit 2 more chairs, which are underneath the bed. I hope. We will see in a second. But that's where they store them. USB, your light switch. It looks pretty slick. As, here, I'll show you an example, I guess. Boom, boom, boom. And you have a desk if you want to get some work done. All that good stuff. I do believe there is an option, if you would prefer. You can put another sofa there. It's very nice. I would leave it like that. This is a couples coach, but it does have the flexibility for some kids or a grandkid or a, the occasional guy that stays there, or lady. It's whatever. Or both. I don't know. Pulls out to about right there. You can get all your sleeping needs done. And they are pretty comfortable. I have taken many naps on many of those. Just like it. Check out the, not only does this living room look good, that TV is absolutely massive. I don't know what size TV it is, but by the looks of it, it's like 65 inches possibly. Big JBL speakers, and I'll get a little close up here, but those things, they've got a bump. I have not turned them on yet. My boss has been here all day, and he doesn't really like it when I do stuff like that. Nice recliners. They got stuff like heating, massage. They got a little button for a cup holder. I mean, what in the world? Come on now. All you have to do is when the power's up on it, which I got disconnected right now being on solar, you hit that and it goes spill proof. They think of everything. Day shade. Night shade. Pretty good looking camper. I gotta say, I'm gonna sell a ton of these and I'm stoked about it. I think the price is coming in about, I think it was like 74,000, something around there. But of course, it's depending on how you spec it out. I mean, you know, it can range. You guys can save a little bit of money, or, you know, you guys can go wild on a spending spree and do whatever you want. This is what I like. Everything's easy on the control panel. You see here for the lights, on, off. You just hit that off, shuts off everything. Most campers, as we all know, it is a nightmare. You got to go through, well, not a nightmare. That's a little dramatic. But, you know, you got to go through and turn them all individually off. My favorite part of the camper is coming up. It is the bathroom. His and her sinks, some storage there. If you're a person that stands up or sits down, you got a toilet roll holder for either one. But I like the way these lights look. So if I turn off the ceiling aspect to it, just keep that accent light on. I mean, look at that. Look how nice that is. I just think it's sweet. Good looking. Plenty of storage, a ton of it. 6 of those. You get one from me. 6 if you come in person. Little Dometic porcelain throne. We know what we do there. But look at this bathroom. It is large. It is in charge. I mean, honestly, you'd have no problem showering in there. I mean, even I'm 6 feet tall. Let's get in here. I am 6 feet tall, and as you can see, I am like stretching up. Plenty of space. I bet you could get in here easy if you were 6'5", without having to crunch too much, and that is an absolute rarity. Let's give a muscle break. Let's go. Those are getting bigger. Started meal prepping today. Really focusing on me and, you know, making myself better. Let's go. We all should do that. A little self-reflecting. The bedroom. It is nice. USB outlet, solar stuff. But I like what they've done with that. I like the way this door looks. I don't know if, yeah, there you go. You can see it right there. It's a nice looking door. Let's lift this up. Strength mode activated. Get underneath there. Yes, there are those 2 chairs for that dinette. Good to go there. Let's close it. I just love the new look of these things. I mean, they just look so freaking nice. Plenty of storage. Give you an example of each. And I do love how they're all that soft close. Place for a washer and dryer if you choose. Right there is your connections. That's the stuff for your central vac system. With some hanging clothes. And in here, I won't open the other side, in part because I'm lazy. And in part because you can see it. But more for that. You got some outlets back there even. And there are outlets that are over there too. But yeah, guys, I mean, as you can see, this camper is beautiful. It's going to be selling like crazy for good reason. If you guys like these videos, make sure to like and subscribe. As always, if you guys lasted this long, thank you very much. Make sure to comment what you did or what you did not like about my style of video. Don't say anything negative for the fun of it, but I'd like to get better and I want your input. I thank you. I hope you have a wonderful day. See you guys.